taking me for a surprise thing to the new building. Where are we at?
We're at the Perot Nature and Science
Perot
Museum.
Nature and Science Museum in Dallas. And we are actually on an escalator. We just entered, so this is the very first thing that we're doing. And we're on an escalator for 4 floors up.
Yeah, this should
we start at the top.
Yeah, this should be the one that takes you. Well, I'll show you the camera. When we get the outside of this building has this escalator in it. So when we get up there, we'll be on an outside escalator. The one you see from outside.
You mean the next escalator up right now?
The Earth is 4.6 billion years old. Huh. Wow. Yeah. See how we go to the right? We're going outside the building to go up.
Cool.
Yep, here it is. This is what you see from the bridge.
Oh, wow.
Can you see out there?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, totally. Look at the landscape. Wood, and in the summer you could see all of the grass.
Yeah, this is an environmentally
planted in there. There's the Dallas skyline part of it. Cool, babe.
It's awesome.
Ooh, scary. Oh. Here's our dog. Alright, so here we go. Look at this coolness. You excited, baby?
I'm really excited, yeah.
Me too. Have you ever wondered about the universe and your place in it?
Every living thing, past and present, the air we breathe, the planets, stars, and galaxies.
Cool. Did you know there are living stars supernova remnants inside of you? The iron in your blood, oxygen, your lungs, and your lips, calcium, and your bones originated in a star. I knew that I was a star. I knew it.
Look at that.
I knew I was a star.
Look at that. It's gorgeous.
Holy crappy. That's gorgeous.
Looks like a monster face right there.
Ooh, that's an evil monster face. So where are we? What planet are we on right now? Look.
It's Mars.
Mars? We're on Mars. But I thought boys are from Mars.
Yeah.
Oh. Look at that thing. Humongous. Look at this turtle.
Isn't that incredible?
It's
Crazy.
crazy.
On the side of it, we don't have the light.
Crazy. Turtle. Wowza. Holy crazy time. Yeah, hold on, let me get the head. Here's a T-Rex. I really thought the T-Rex was going to be bigger. I mean, he could eat me and my legs would be sticking out. But I thought like T-Rex could actually like eat my whole body, just like it would be inside his mouth. Is that where his penis goes? Hey Carrie, is this a boy?
I guess so. I can't get over how.
She's gonna fly like a bird.
I think there's that big
Whoa, Carrie.
I'm so short, so things are going down all the time.
You don't feel that?
It's cool.
Yeah, I feel it. It's like a breeze. What's that supposed to be?
Good evening. Thank you for tuning into this special weather report. I'm on the outskirts of Fort Worth where the hail is beating down. As you can see, there are a few motorists braving the weather. But I wouldn't recommend driving, folks. These are quarter-size hailstones. The hail begins shortly after the thunderstorms brought through the unstable air. Can you hear the pounding of the roof of the car? It's really a powerful force. Authorities suggest you seek shelter during hail storms indoors and away from your windows. Stay inside if you can. Our camera shot this image of dark clouds moving over Richland Hills just moments ago. There's some evidence of funnel cloud rotation, and we know what happens when funnel cloud touches the earth: a tornado. A tornado watch is in effect for the following counties. That's a lot of counties. Stay tuned for more on this extreme weather.
That is so cool. That's a real life indoor tornado.
There we go, we can see it now. Crazy. This is earthquake.
This is major? Yeah, I guess it is major.
Crystals. Pretty. Ooh, look at that one. Holy. That one. I think that's the one that, it's where Superman came from. Big amethyst.
So cool.
These are fluorescent minerals.
Zinc, manganese, and iron. Found nowhere else in the world.
Crazy.
When they're exposed to ultraviolet light, 3 of the most common.
Gypsum, also known as selenite, the same material found in wallboard and plaster repairs.
There's a creepy guy in there.
Crystals look like...
Look at all these kiddos messing with all this science stuff. Music. Wax on, wax off. What'd you think?
I thought it was great. I loved it. I wish more of the interactive stuff would have been working.
Yeah.
A lot of the cool stuff was...
We're out of breath because we did the music stairs, but that would have been hard to record because we were like, so that would have been hard. But we're leaving the Science Center.
Hey, you!